It's your boy Symbol, and today I'm gonna show you how to repair your boombox battery by using a phone battery. Alright, so the boombox battery normally would be a long battery. It's my second one I'm gonna replace. I found this thrown down in some old stuffs I had in my storeroom. So I'm gonna use two of this battery because normally the battery that comes inside of this originally carries more amperage. So to get longer playing hours from it, you have to have more amperage power. You understand? So I may just use three of them, double up three of them, and use it inside. If the space is there, can hold it. Alright, so we're gonna get started. Sometimes these boxes come with clips. Even though you remove the screws, sometimes there are clips there. So you have to just find where those clips are and remove them. Alright. Seems this one pulled from the top right here. It has to be gentle because you don't want to damage the ribbon. Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna remove all of this right here. These are the speaker wires. Right here, this one should be the battery wire. Let's see if we have any more screws inside. Let's see any screws. As I tell you before, it's normally a long battery inside. So I hope these other batteries can fit. Let's see what's going on. Nope, this one is too tall. Can't fit, even if we turn it that way. I guess we may have to just replace it with just one of the battery, which is this small one. May not play long, but these battery, you could order them online. I'm not gonna do that. So this wire, you're gonna cut this one off, okay? So you're gonna cut this one off. You're gonna strip. Set it back right here. Okay guys, so our battery is set, and then I'm just gonna plug my battery right here and then connect back the speaker wires. Let's go with this. See, it's all blinking. It's ready. I didn't know it was even on. Okay. So it seems. So this is the old battery, and I replaced it with a phone battery. Now, just gonna fit it up. And let's test. Okay guys, it's time to test. Let's see what's going on here now, huh? Alright, there's a light blinking blue.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And there we go.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Yeah, phone and all of that. So this is just a little project for today. I'm just gonna give someone this who needs it. Have it thrown down for a very long time now. I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll find it interesting to subscribe, like and share for more upcoming video. Alright,